The mighty Gange was angry that day, swollen with monsoon rains. It was rushing down from the Himalayas at alarming speed, threatening to flood the villages along its banks. But the villagers were ready. They had gathered to celebrate the International Day of Action for Rivers by planting native trees along the eroding banks of the river. As the muddy waters raged by, children sang songs of the Ganges, while their parents planted saplings of lim, peepal, and jasmine. By evening, over 500 trees had been planted. The villagers hoped these trees would hold the soil together and prevent flooding in the years to come. The International Day of Action for Rivers, observed on March 14 every year, came about as a result of a tragic event. In 1989, indigenous leader Chicomendas was assassinated in Brazil for defending the Amazon rainforest and local people's rights. His death led environmental activists to organize the first International Day of Action for Rivers in 1990 to raise awareness about the need to protect rivers and the communities that depend on them. Rivers are the lifelines of our planet. They provide water for drinking, sanitation, agriculture, industries, and transportation. They are a source of food, jobs, and hydropower for millions of people. However, most of the world's rivers have been dammed, diverted, or polluted. Some rivers even run dry before reaching the sea due to overuse. By organizing events like river cleanups, restoration activities, rallies, and press campaigns on this day, environmental groups aim to highlight the threats facing rivers and push for policies and laws that protect them. People celebrate this day in many ways. In some countries, people organize walks and rallies along riverbanks to raise awareness about pollution. In other places, community groups host riverside picnics and concerts to spread awareness about the importance of rivers. Students set up education campaigns in schools to teach their peers about reducing water usage and keeping rivers clean. Conservation organizations publish reports on the state of the world's rivers and put pressure on governments and companies to change policies that threaten rivers. These collective actions by ordinary people around the world are making a difference in the efforts to save our rivers. March 14 is International Day of Action for Rivers. Here is our painting with oil pastels for this special day, and have a nice International Day of Action for Rivers. Cheers!